Yes, hello. Enamel? Look from where? Watch ya. Oh, I didn't even press dial. Hello? Then oh you operate this a same thing, you know? Oh yes, hello? Enamel? What's up? What you mean, who is this? This is your mother. Hi, how have you? I am good, I'm just here. Remember I tell you about that little sin thing there where I want to go look about? Yes, that same one. Yes, man. Yes. So, I did call up there. Hold on, now, let me tell you what I tell you. Yes, I did call up there. So, um, me get one go appointment fi go up there for next week. Do not say nothing to nobody. I don't want them knowing. Alright? So, all I know, make up and send the little money so me can get fi go up there and go look about this. Alright? Alright, so no problem. We'll talk to you later and I'll let you. Enamel, somebody's at the door. Enamel, I gotta go. I will call you back. Alright? Alright, son. I love you. Bye. Who is it now? Who is it, I say? Oh, Lord.
I mean, man.
So, Sister Sherlee, for you look along me, I say, who is it? Why you not answer?
Me no want open the door. Me say appear you out the door. Watch out on the umbrella.
Sister Sherlee, you can't come in with the umbrella, so left here the door.
As I tell you, me a hurry because I don't want nobody follow me come down here.
Because
you know how church people stay. Then go say and say, Sister Sherlee, where you going? Where you go? You go down to Sister Femsey yard. Let me come and I don't want to know if they know so we are cook down here or something.
I hope you don't make them see
nobody
come.
Me say, boy, one thing do I beat me, the money,
And you feel real? You know, send me a one look out, if you go look about and me say, you are the only somebody in the church. Me can't say yes. If you ask for a little change. But anyway, me a pinch you and tell you that you can't say nothing to nobody. Yes, so me need one little change to borrow. Me tell Enamel, me did just talk to Enamel on the phone, you know.
Then boy.
And then he say, he might go send me back, he might go borrow it now, send me back. And tell me that pitney them too. So me can get it.
But me tell you say, boy, now go on the market, you know, me have a little $5,000 put on for see if you look towards something. And boy, me I tell you, I know me a Christian, me no buy a lot of. So, boy, but me get a dream me there. Me only can pinch you and tell you say me I hope I want little sitting, but me would like if me can go in a Sister Jody partner. Because I want a little partner go on there, but me I want them, me could get the first draft and me need the money for next month.
Okay.
So me I try. But we try and see God will provide, you know, me
that
sow
is
seed and pay me tithe,
so
you know,
come
sister.
on, we serve a
Me
risen
I tell
king.
you, but me up in and tell you because something like how you tell me say.
The true sister?
Yeah.
Tell me.
Between me and you, but I'm this one here. Right.
You for real?
Yeah, man, I mean, niece and everybody
Oh,
happy.
praise Jesus.
So you know God is
and look how
good.
we fast and pray about this.
Man, everything I go alright, man. God I go provide her every dime.
Mighty God.
Every dime. Me say me I come down a while ago and me not even did have one umbrella, one good Samaritan give me one
Look
umbrella.
at God.
And the rain a falling on me say no, so me have to go down to Sister Femsey yard and me have to go talk to her. And see there, money are the issue. But guess what no? God will provide.
Me not to vote to a word, me say.
Ask and it shall be given, sister. But remember me tell you say, them people they will have them love you, they always take care of you and you sit there. Because me see you in a little nice frock and you sit there for
Why
America.
you tell us sister grateful
And
for
Barry
them,
sister then call you down there, you know.
Eh?
I know nothing bad still.
And they say no another one again too, you know.
Yeah.
Why me love yourself in a look a niceness
you
there.
mean one life we have to live, we have to know what we are do.
Why me grateful me did have all of them. Why if I did just one?
Man, one pick me and a pick me, you know?
Not at all.
Okay, hey,
See
me
now
and my
all
three
of
little
them
boy,
come and
them
take
they,
care of me.
boy, and the little one them when me raise one never for me. God good. But me said just is a good idea, but through them love excitement, they love excite them body and me now want to tell them, but it look like I have to go pinch one and two of them out of them and tell them say help me make up.
Yes.
So me can't, but me have to see it, me can't go in and
Why
take a
go,
partner. But me have to go tell one little lima because me now one day the church people they know me business. You understand? Me have to go say me want if you do something else. Yeah.
I see the two of we in the same position. I know me can't help you.
Right, and if me have me would help you, no man, me I tell you man. Why, but
So me I think if you go for my cousin, if you go stay over there.
you can't trust her, you make her.
Yes, man. I want a little young one them and they not go really to reveal nothing. So me I go and stay with that little one. So me can, me now have to do all the traveling that morning. Fi go at the ember. Like gosh, me a talk to you. Yes. The fall of the ear we take you away. And you reach over this one yourself.
But you know what me I do? Me I go for the weekend, you know, man. For me not me. I want none of them country bunking and know my business because me get up a morning time, so me I go a prayer street meeting. If me get up 5 o'clock then, if me get up 4 o'clock then, me ma, me nah make them know my business me dear sister, this is between me and you have to promise me, you know. Promise me.
Me promise you, man.
Oh God, me I tell you, God is good.
But I'm so grateful. Like me look on our sister Miza, and me I say God. Look all them, then just a travel back and forth. How when we go be for me time. Look them me have all of me picking them over, so you know. And
So
me I say,
them can't take you.
all of them. And look how long me there. Although them build up one nice little house, give me there with the upstairs and downstairs.
But you know, lonely man.
Me lonely up them man. No look nobody in the house with me. Nobody in the house with me. And me say would I just be good. Cause some of them you know see for years now, you know.
Oh God.
All me do I just talk to them.
You'll get through.
And they have,
tell them your business.
And they have all grand pitney. And me have all grand pitney. And I never meet them yet. And right now here them I got them. I would have only hope, Sister Sherlee.
You'll
that
get
I
through.
Get it in time.
You'll get through.
So I can see them.
I know what me all do too. It's like how we are fast and pray. You fast and pray for me.
Yes.
And me fast and pray for
yes.
you. And watch and see what God will do.
Alright.
Me I tell you about yeah, you know me can't stand too long now because me tell him say me I come over here.
So you know come for your local food, man?
Why me want little food but how you cook?
That two dumpling and chicken back me do around them.
Oh, you know, so me I try to have a chicken back for me cholesterol high, man. Me can't.
Me buying up all of that in the
yeah, but you still have to take your little pill them and still have to eat good, you know, me can't bother. You know, a little fish me cook up there, but boy, me not even know me there. Sometimes me I just boil the flour and I myself. Cause me afraid. But guess what? Give me it. See a little bit.
Let me go run back they go.
Before me go for the pity, then terribly you see they want to know everything.
Let me go run back they go put in on the same thing.
Yeah man, of course. I must have the Savior with me, for I dare not walk alone. I must feel His presence in me, and His arms around me through. Why? I wouldn't mind if you have get a visa. No, you'll get through. Thank you.
I know nothing much.
No man, you know say it's alright. They didn't make me come up. Yeah man, and I will Sister Sherlee me call them. I don't really know if you use the phone.
Yes.
I really know if you use
so make you little young one we have done the show. You
don't really know if you use the phone, but me have your number.
Yes.
And me save it. I know me can't. Me find my glasses on and sit there, but you know, them they know everything.
Alright, yes, man.
You must have it keep between me and you.
I will.
Talk on your prayer.
Alright.
Yeah man, alright. How many umbrella there?
See, they're right back I do this.
Later,
Take care.
Tell nobody, you know?
No, sir.
Alright, later.
Alright.